all for you. What if done forever? Just can't believe that you're together. Na 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 na. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jani Jain and I'm here to make you all smile and entertain. So today I'm gonna do a Meesho haul, obviously read by title, but today I am thinking like I really like the fits which I bought. Like it's obviously western, you have read by the title, but it's my type, like loose kind of t-shirts and hoodies and shirts, jeans and everything. So I really like all of them. Like जो मुझे चाहिए था मैंने वही मंगाया just for the sake of video. I didn't make anything. So I really like the fits today. And obviously तुम लोग मेरे वीडियोस पे कमेंट नीचे करते हो कि मैं क्या जो पहनती हूँ वो कहाँ से लाती हूँ, क्या करती हूँ. So I'll just give you a gist कि मैंने क्या क्या पहना है. This top, this is a cardigan and this is like सरोजनी से है. इनिशियली मैं सरोजनी नहीं गई हूँ, इट्स जस्ट लाइक ऑनलाइन सरोजनी. मतलब कैसा होता है कि इंस्टाग्राम पे देयर आर मेनी पेजेस लाइक यू नो सरोजनी लूट और सरोजनी ऑनलाइन सरोजनी और whatever. सो वहाँ पे दे पोस्ट फोटोज ऑफ द पिक्चर्स लाइक whatever they bring from Sarojini and they sell it, like they wash and they sell it. So I got one page like I think it's online Sarojini Loot if I'm not wrong, and ये कार्डिगन था उसके पास, मैं ऑर्डर कर लिया. So that is from there, and all the jewelry is from What the Funk obviously. Like, and look at the nail paint. Oh my god, I'm just so obsessed with this because I changed my nail paint after a long freaking time and I really like it. The color is from I bought it from Nykaa, like obviously sale चला था मैंने मंगा लिया. तो ये कुछ lilac थोड़ा सा kind of whitish greenish and this is blue, so I really like it. One second. So till now, if you like this video, do not forget to like it, comment and do share. And yeah, if you like watch my few of my videos, and if you like that videos, do not forget to subscribe to my channel because I will post I'll try to post every week. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so honestly the first item I bought from Meesho was this. Like I really liked how the print is. Like this is a shirt, this is a printed shirt, and I really like how the print is, like exactly like, you know, it's like not even, you can say not even, like it just throw on fabrics and just stitch together. I feel that way kind of, like it's so asymmetrical. There's no, you know, symmetry, or there's nothing line towards, like there's no block or something like that, just asymmetrical. I just want to say that. So I really like it, and I really like this shirt. Like it's oversized to me and I like it, and this is in the size double XL because obviously I wanted to oversize it. So yeah, I really like it. Okay, so the prices will be mentioned over here somewhere. Here you can see it, guys. And the very, I don't like one part of the shirt is this, like ये जो इसका inner है, it's like a white color. Okay, like it's not the print, same print अंदर नहीं है, it's white color. So when this shirt उड़ेगा तो ऐसे white दिखेगा, not the, that's a little drawback of this shirt. बाकी this shirt is so cool, I like it. This is like a material of something, you know, polyester mix or like that. Yeah, so can you just see, like, you know, if you can see, it's like little polyester blended, you can say that. But yeah, I really like this shirt and this is how it looks. Thumbs up to this shirt obviously. Like I really like this, the vibe is so cool, I like it. So yeah, so this is the shirt if you can see, like, yeah. Okay, done. Okay, so the next item is, which I bought, is again a shirt obviously. I really wanted to, like, you know, got that vibe, like shirts and everything, so I wanted that vibe, so I just bought two shirts because why not. Even this is like, you know, a print, you know, just a printed shirt, you can say a symmetrical printed shirt. So I really like it. Like it's obviously like double XL. Look at the sleeves, man. Like obviously this is not, oh by the way, these both are from men's section, not from women's section, so just an information. Yeah, I bought from men's section, and इसमें भी यही है कि इसके अंदर white है, बाकी तो shirt is super nice. Like I really like it. I like the print bad. Oh my god. So I really like the print, and वही अंदर से वाइट है, सो आई ड्रॉ बैक, बट आई लाइक इट। दिस इन द साइज XXL2 एंड आई थिंक ये दोनों भी एक ही से है या फिर नहीं, मुझे पता नहीं। मैं कोड डाल दूँगी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, तो तुम लोग कोड सर्च कर सकते हो रादर दैन लिंक नहीं होता, वहाँ पे कोड होता है, जस्ट सर्च द कोड। Okay, yeah, so yeah, this is also oversized, like obviously the sleeve is too much big, but I like it. The you know, when I'm just looking like, you know, like a white or a blue rugged jeans with a tea bag or spaghetti top, and then oversized shirt like this and some jewelry, sports shoes. Oh my god, I can imagine a literally good outfit and which is aesthetically pleasing. Why not? Sister, you should bring it. I like it. So cute. I love it. Really. ओके, सो अगर मैंने 2 शर्ट्स ली है जो थोड़े बहुत अच्छे दिख रहे हैं, एंड आई हैड नो वाइट जीन्स, सो आई थॉट दैट शर्ट को भी कॉम्प्लीमेंट कर जाएंगे, सो आई बॉट अ वाइट जीन्स। मेरे को वाइट जीन्स बहुत टाइम से चाहिए था, सो मुझे सोचा कि मैं इसमें इन्वेस्ट कर दूँ, बिकॉज वाई नॉट। It was just for something 500 or 600, so I thought that I'll just bring it. So this is the jeans. Yeah, I like it. Like, it's not like a jeans material. It's like you can say a soft kind of material. I don't know what material it said, but yeah. So I really wanted, you know, like loose jeans for me. Like I wanted like थोड़ा लूज हो, बिकॉज जब वो दिस इज लाइक स्किन फिट जीन्स, ठीक है। जो स्किन फिट जीन्स होते हैं ना, बहुत नीचे से ना फिर एकदम चिपक जाते हैं लाइक to your skin. I don't want that uncomfortableness to like on my legs and everywhere, so I just thought I'll go one size up. So I bought, I think 36 or 34, I don't remember. Yeah, it says 32. I don't know why it says 32. Oh, I'm sorry, you can see here like it says 32, but I thought I just bought like 34 or 36, I don't know. But yeah, anyways, so this jeans is really very nice. Okay guys, I really like the length of the jeans. It's like it's proper, and this is like skinny jeans, obviously kuch nahi skinny hai, and it's nice white colored jeans. Like it has pockets. Oh, focus guys, focus. Yeah, it has pockets, and पीछे भी pockets है, ऐसे नहीं कि पागल बना दिया pockets ही डालनी. So I liked the jeans. Okay, whatever, like it's not from a good brand, but I liked it, so that's okay. You can pull it off, guys. Yeah, so that's it, and I really like the fabric and everything. Not the jeans material, but it's a good fabric, you can go with it. So I liked it, and I will wear it soon. So cool. ओके, सो इसके बाद मैंने एक और जीन्स मंगाया जो था ब्लैक कलर का, एंड आई थिंक फ्रॉम द सेम व्हाट यू से कंपनी ओनली। बट क्या हुआ कि इसका जो लेंथ है वो फिर भी ठीक है, लाइक एंकल के नीचे है, बट उसका लेंथ एंकल के भी ऊपर था, तो इट वॉज लाइक अ वेरी वियर्ड पोजिशन पे, काफ के नीचे एंड एंकल के ऊपर, सो मिडिल। सो आई थॉट दैट आई शुड जस्ट एक्सचेंज इट, बट एक्सचेंज कुछ था नहीं उसके पास, था लाइक I just return it to them. So I just returned it. तो मैं बस फोटो भी नहीं उसके पास, आई थिंक फोटो का मैं लगा दूँगी यहाँ पे, that's what it, and I think मैंने वो रिटर्न कर दिया, तो वो है नहीं यहाँ पे। Okay, so the next item which I bought is my favorite from the whole. It is like a hoodie, like it's a lavender lilac hoodie, like ये lavender दिख रहा है but ये है lilac, but anyways, so I just loved it. Okay, so it was only for 500, like okay, दिस इज़ लाइक अ काइंड ऑफ एन H&M हुडी ओनली। बहुत सॉफ्ट है, बहुत फ्लफी, एवरीथिंग इज सो क्यूट, नाइस एंड just to die for. So why not? Like H&M की हुडी, H&M की नहीं है बट उतनी ही अच्छी हुडी अगर तुमको 500 में मिल रही तो क्यों नहीं लूँगी मैं ब्रो. आई जस्ट टुक इट देन. सो आई जस्ट okay, there is nothing bad in this, like it's proper and I really like it. Okay, so you can come, like it comes with a hoodie, obviously, like it's hoodie, so like hood ke sath aata hai. There's a string, like white string here, which is very good, nice. Then you have a sleeve which is oversized and I really like it, oh man. And the hoodie, obviously it's so cute. They have 2 pockets too niche, like you know, here. So पागल नहीं बनाया है इन्होंने, अच्छे सच्ची में अच्छा वाला प्रोडक्ट दिया है. सो आई रियली लाइक्ड इट, लाइक हाउ इट इज़, लाइक लुक एट द मटेरियल गाइस. super cute, super nice, super comfortable. I really like it and I cannot wait to wear this because obviously winters है but यहाँ पे अभी 2 दिन पता नहीं गर्मी हो रही थी तो मैंने नहीं पहना. but winters आएगा मैं सबसे पहले ये पहनूंगी and I'm just so freaking soft. I really like it. So worth the purchase and I am proud of myself that I bought this one. Legit proud. Okay, I won't say legit but anyways. Okay, so now we'll go to the last item of the haul. I know that ये वाला haul बहुत छोटा था, मतलब मैंने छोटा नहीं था but मैंने बहुत कम चीज़ें मंगाई थी because मुझे चाहिए थी, मैंने वही मंगाई थी. मैं बहुत फास्ट बोल रही हूँ. Anyways, so the next item is this one. My face looks dull, so now I'm gonna wash my face with tea tree face wash, which is for acne and pimple. It's free from harmful chemicals and it's all natural. Key ingredients of these products are neem, aloe vera, tea tree. They remove excess oil, antibacterial, reduces breakouts like acne and pimple. By the way guys, I have a code for you guys, that is Janvi 2021. Use this code and get 20% off at mamatheearth.in. And yes, every time you buy from them, they will link your order on the website to the tree that they plant. The exact geolocation, picture and species of the tree will be sent to you. That's so amazing, right? Mamaearth has launched their official app. Users get early access to sales and get extra discount. It's an Indian brand, dude. By the way, I'm using is a tea tree oil free moisturizer and ingredients are tea tree, salicylic acid, vitamin E, etc. Obviously. So yeah, that's it guys, and I really like my skin now. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. This looks so freaking pretty. I can't even say that. Like, dude. Okay, ये यहाँ तक आता है. Like legit यहाँ पे आता है. How the fuck? This looks so cute. Oh my god. Like western top में Indian looks बहुत अच्छा लगता है. What is the focus like, bro? Okay, cool. Yeah, sorry. So वेस्टर्न टॉप्स में इंडियन लुक बहुत क्यूट लगता है. लाइक इट जस्ट सो नाइस. एंड यहाँ पे द स्लीव्स इज ऐसे एंड द टॉप इज ऑल्सो ज़रा इट्स लाइक वेरी स्विंगी टॉप. यू नो आई रियली लाइक इट, लाइक गर्ली टॉप. बट इसमें एक ड्रॉबैक है जो मुझे बहुत ख़राब लगा बट आई थॉट दैट इट्स ओके, आई जस्ट हैव टू वेयर इट बिकॉज आई रियली लाइक द प्रोडक्ट. सो द ड्रॉबैक इज ये जो स्लीव्स है ना, द स्लीव्स इज लाइक दिस, लाइक यू नो कैन यू सी, लाइक इतना बड़ा गैप है, मतलब इतना ज़्यादा, मतलब इट्स जस्ट दिस मच गैप. सो जस्ट ओके, इमेजिन दिस इज़ द शोल्डर एंड यहाँ पे तुम्हारा शोल्डर का कट है, मतलब यहाँ पे इतना तुम लोग का इतना ही आर्म होल्ड है, ठीक है. बट ये नीचे तक आ रहा है, मतलब थोड़ा चेस्ट, मतलब यू नो कैन यू इमेजिन योर ब्राउ वुड बी शोन. और अगर तुमने अंडरआर्म्स नहीं किया तो वो भी दिखेगा. ऐसे कुछ तुम अंडरआर्म नहीं करो चलेगा, वांधो नहीं है. बट आई एम जस्ट सेइंग कि अगर तुमको पसंद नहीं है और वो देखे जाए तो वो भी एक ड्रॉबैक है. तो इसमें वो दिखता है बट आई वाज लाइक आई जस्ट वेयर व्हेन आई डोंट हैव हेयर देयर. But anyways, this tops looks okay, my English is going. Anyways, so this top looks really very cool and I really like it. This is Banjara wala vibes hai. बोहो वाइब्स काइंड ऑफ, लाइक इसके नीचे वाइट जीन्स ब्रो, ये पता मैंने वाइट जीन्स ना लेजिट इसके ऊपर भी जाएगा, इसके नीचे भी जाएगा, इसके नीचे भी जाएगा, इसके नीचे भी जाएगा, इसके नीचे भी जाएगा. Wow, what a choice, Janvi. I just liked what you bought this time. Like, this was my best Meesho haul I could ever do. I really like it. Like, this is really very cool, okay? I'm not just saying for just saying, but it's generally, like, literally very cool, and I really like it. So, I'm really happy of bringing every of the item. And if you want these items, the code will be there in the description below. You can check it out. You can search there and you'll get the product. Okay, so अगर out of stock नहीं होगा तो मैं डाल दूँगी कोड, बाकी out of stock हो गया तो I'm really sorry. Okay, I have, I think, more 2 hauls to be there. Like, one is Amazon kurti haul and one is street style store haul. Yeah, I have 2 of these hauls left. I will do that soon. But recently मैंने नायका से शॉपिंग की है, इतनी शॉपिंग नहीं की, but you can see this, like, मैंने नेल बेस मंगाया है मैंने 2-3, तो मैंने वो सब भी शॉपिंग की है नायका की. तो इफ़ यू ऑल वांट आई विल ऑल्सो एट द नायका हॉल. बट इवन अगर तुम लोग कमेंट्स में लिखोगे कि करना है तो ही मैं करूँगी, वरना मैं नहीं करूँगी, बिकॉज इतना कुछ आइटम है नहीं इसमें. बट ठीक है, दीज 2 हॉल्स आई वुड रियली डू, बट बाकी आई वॉन्ट. ओके, एंड या डू लेट मी नो वॉट यू वॉन्ट मी टू सी. व्हाट द फक आई एम सेइंग. डू लेट मी नो दैट वॉट यू वॉन्ट me to do for you all, like what do you want to see. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. If you don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, and I love you guys. Thank you so much for supporting. I love you. Tada. तू ही है